Curriculum for me, it is what, how, why it is taught para sa mga bata. And then for curricularis, a plan or design for learner. Centered ang ginagamit. And then for type of curricula nga isa ko ang role is i-emphasize na po ang active learning sa ako as kindergarten teacher. Then for teaching learning activities, now may play exploration, then routine-based activities sabi na sa ilahang edad. And then ang akong ginagamit po nga assessment is CCD checklist or rubric-based assessment. Ang areas kasi na is tunay sa mga number 1 to 10. And then ang challenges, of course, kahit unique na challenges labi na sa separation anxiety sa mga bata na magiging magila during the first trimester sa pagsabot sa eskwelahan. Curricularis in kindergarten ay ang full planner para sa ako ang kindergarten pupils.
The curriculum is the heart of education because it provides structure, purpose, and direction in teaching and learning. It's not just a list of subjects, but a plan that shapes the knowledge, skills, and values of learners to prepare them for life. Nelson Mandela said, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world.